or of the birds. Seagulls. It's just a sponge. It's just a sponge. You don't have to swarm our house. It's just. Oh! He caught it.
Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez.
I'm going out to get it.
Don't.
Why?
Just gonna keep coming back.
You don't have the sponge. You don't have the sponge. But this is more of the birds. More of the birds. Birds and humans. Birds. Gotta get the sponge. I'm gonna get the sponge. I'm gonna get the sponge. I'm gonna get the sponge. I need that sponge. Run! Run back home! I need to run, boys! Run! I got the sponge. Sponge is home.
And then bring it up.
Quick! I need to get up here. Sponge. Okay. Put the sponge list. I know we have the sponge. Ah! Look at those guys. Just sitting on the porch. Pleasure. I said it's a pleasure for you to go. Get out of here. Get out. Get out of here. We don't have the sponge. We don't have the sponge. It's just us. We don't have the sponge. We don't have the sponge. We actually have the sponge. We have the sponge. But just don't tell it. Don't want them to know. We got the sponge. We don't have the sponge. How do you feel? Bert, how do you feel about this? How do you feel? How do you feel? How do these birds feel? I want to know. How? Sir? Sir? How do you feel? How do you feel? Yes? And? Anything else? Yes? What about you? What about you? What about you? What about you? What? She's gonna fly away. She's gonna fly away every time. Birds, spongeless. I don't care. What? They won't get it. They don't even want it. Don't want it anymore, Alex. So what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Why'd you throw it in the tree? Ah! Now they're swarming the tree! No, we do not. Get away. Shoo! Well, that's going to be the end of this video. Next time we'll ever see that sponge. Goodbye.
Please like and subscribe.
Yes, please.